Hi, it's Dave from SuperPro here today to talk to you about some of our repair products. Now, SuperPro has a reputation in the market as being an enhancement, and it is an enhancement. It is an enhancement over the standard rubber products, but it's a repair item. It fixes a problem you have with the car, and it fixes it for the lifetime of that vehicle, as per our warranty. As we've discussed before, rubber gets melted by road grime and oil leaks and petroleum products. The SuperPro product won't do that. Yeah, absolutely. If you've got a RS Focus and you want to upgrade it, give us a call. You've got a Mustang and you want to upgrade it, give us a call. But if you've got a Commodore, if you've got a Falcon, if you've got a Camry and it's just worn and it needs to be repaired, give us a call. We've got the solutions there for you as well. We've got your Commodore arms, we've got your vertical pivoting bushes, we've got bushes for Range Rovers. You name it, we have it on our website. Just go to superpro.com.au, have a look for your vehicle. You can search by make, model and chassis group, find the parts you need, go to the dealer locator, find the SuperPro distributor closest to you, give them a call, get yourself some SuperPro today.